In this video, I'll show you how to reset a GE universal remote. I will also show a picture of my dog. Step 1. Hold the setup button. Press and hold the setup button until the red LED stays on. Then release. Step 2. Press the mute button. Tap the mute button once. The LED should remain on. Step 3. Press 0. Press and release the 0 button. The red LED will blink twice, confirming that the remote is now reset. There's also an alternative method, that is the battery power cycle. Remove the batteries for 10 minutes, pressing all buttons to discharge memory. Then replace the batteries and reprogram if needed. And that is it. Here's a nice picture of my dog. Your GE Universal Remote is now reset. If you found this video helpful, subscribe. It really